What is Gadwin? I don't know. I'm going to test it right now on the screen, and it's going to be a very interesting experience because when we deal with screenshotting tools, they should be very intuitive, customizable, and they need to be convenient for specific tasks at hand. And unfortunately, just taking a region of your screen, it's not good enough. And we've seen that some tools are doing just that. And Gadwin is supposed to be something else. So we are going to do just that. We will start the program and let it run. Gadwin screen recorder. Gadwin print screen, actually. Okay. So this is how it looks like. It has this little menu that you can pin or not pin. If I close it, it is still running in the background, and you can say, do not show this message again. Very important for screenshot takers. Those pop-ups on the screen just slow you down. Okay, what the screenshots are for? I create documentation. On a daily basis, I can take hundreds of screenshots. No, not kidding. Okay, I use screenshots as proof of everything. I use it as a communication tool because if someone can describe their problem to you for 2 hours, but one screenshot of the error just solves everything for you, right? So it's proper communication. So definitely it's at the tip of my fingers, and screenshots are super important. We are going to see how the screenshot tool applies to professional work or for someone that really wants to use the screenshot tool effectively. And it includes initial configuration and, of course, capturing the screenshot. But initial configuration is very important because in screenshot tools, using the out-of-the-box features it never works well enough. Okay, we'll see how the editing screenshot capability works, how the exporting works. And exporting, I mean, not just save as, I mean, automatic saving or clipboard or anything like that. How fast the tool is if you need to click it multiple times or something. And if there are extra features that enhance the tool and allow you to use it for more tasks, that's an extra feature that would put it in good footing with the current tool that I'm using. So definitely worth a try. So we already opened the tool, and we have it here, and it lists that capture full screen or capture window. It's shift print screen, capture rectangular area, control print screen. Okay, so but first we are going to options or preferences, and we see, well, run at startup. I'm disabling that just because I have multiple tools on this the desktop over here. Auto hide capture, show widget. Okay, show countdown before capturing, hide with capturing, show notification messages, camera shutter sound. Hotkeys are let's see, capture a window, capture rectangular area, the most important one. So it's going to be Alt 2, assign, maybe. Capture the mouse cursor, very important. Sometimes you want it removed. And usually you do want it to be out of the picture. As a professional screenshot taker, I know to move out my cursor from the screenshot area. Okay, add shadow and convert to grayscale. Post capture actions, very important. Bring preview, okay. Copy capture to clipboard, very good. Format, let's see, we have JPEG and PNG. PNGs are really good for transparency. File naming automatic, and the capture folder, let's use the desktop. And this is the template that we can alter using features that are listed here. So you're not in control. You cannot give it a name of the program that you captured in your screenshot or something. And then custom action could be a MS Paint, Compat.exe. Okay, that's more or less everything that we have in preferences. Not much, but definitely more than other tools that we reviewed. Not all of them, but it gives it a good chance. Cool. So let's try a capture area. It's going to be Alt 2. All right, we have a little magnifier over here, and the position tells us where we are. And when you start capturing the screenshot, it shows you the size. right? So the position switches to size, and you can be very, very precise. Let's say you want to put it right over here, okay? Fantastic. Now, when you leave your mouse, now it says, well, do you want to apply, resize, which is very nice. You can even reset. So resetting is basically, it saves you time on clicking this hotkey or discard. So we're going to say fine, and it opens an editor of sorts. Color under cursor, it's able to take the color. What it does, I'm not sure what this tool is doing. Pan tool, okay, this tool pans. We can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, let's put it back to default. And it just opens the settings. And now we have, okay, well, so this tool doesn't pretend to be an editor, meaning that once you click apply, it already is captured over here and it's in your clipboard as well. So what you can do is MS Paint and just edit the screenshot. You would think that this is bad. Believe me, when a screenshot tool goes and pretends that it has an editor, but this editor is worthless. It doesn't have the rectangles, arrows, text features, colors. It just has weird pens on it and something that you barely can control. It's much worse than just separating the screenshot capturing from screenshot editing in some external software. So definitely, this is not a minus. It's not that it adds to the tool itself, but at least it doesn't pretend that it has features that do not exist. Okay, and that's about it. So we can actually paste it. We can paste the screenshot multiple times over here, and everything is fantastic. But that's MS Paint, and this is not MS Paint video. So this is what the tool is doing for us. Let's see how good it is with window capture. Okay, so unnecessary icons. And we are capturing a window, and it is able to see this window in a way, but it splits it into sections. So how do I capture this whole window? Like this, when I point to the resize place. Okay, and then I can just play with the position of it as well. And when I say okay, this is the okay, zoom in, fit the window, pan, full screen. And that's about it. Don't show this message again. We also have the capture history for some reason, but nothing else. This is everything it does. So let's recap real fast. The initial configuration, it's nice. It gives you the basics. Clipboard for editing, saving files automatically, so you will be able to modify them later. Capturing screenshots is nice. It has a magnifier, a screen size, and mouse position, very important when you want to capture the last region, although there are many tools that say, well, I can capture the last captured region again for you, just click one button. But at least it gives you the position. Editing screenshots, it doesn't have an editor, and it doesn't pretend to have one, which is even worse, right? So it just plainly saves the screenshot and says, well, you can paste it to whatever place you want, but if you want to edit it, use an external editor. Fair enough. Exporting, well, it has a save as and a clipboard tool, not more than that. No upload, source of sorts, but that's completely fine. At least it gives you the file convention um, as a drop down there in the selection. So that's nice. You don't need to figure out what screenshot is what. The speed is pretty fast, although those pop-ups and everything are not really convenient, but you have the hotkey, and there are no extra features. They have a video capturer software that is separate to that, but it's not part of this video. But probably it would have exactly same features, just different output. And that's about it. Am I recommending this tool? Yeah, I actually do. If you don't need to edit your screenshots, if you're new to this, you can give it a try. Would I recommend something else for beginners? Definitely. there are other tools, and for this you need to watch other videos. Screenshot. Okay, and I'll see you in the next